Select the one word or phrase that needs to be used in place of the underlined text to make the sentence correct, or indicate that the underlined text is not an error. When the government unveiled its plans to send a manned mission to Mars before the end of the decade, it piqued the interest of star watchers worldwide. Before taking a look at our choices, let's see if we can find an error in the underlined phrase. Piqued is actually a homophone. Homophones refers to two or more words that are pronounced the same but have different spellings and meanings. In this case, we have peaked, peaked, and peaked. P-E-A-K-E-D refers to reaching the highest point of something, like my grades peaked when I was in 10th grade. P-E-E-K-E-D is to take a quick look, like I peeked into the room to check if she was sleeping. And finally, P-I-Q-U-E-D means irritated or angry, but when paired with interest, it refers to getting interested or excited about something. For example, her presentation on Beethoven piqued my interest in classical music. Taking a look at our context, sending a manned mission to Mars piqued the interest of star watchers. We can see that using the definition of our current spelling, hit the highest point, doesn't really make sense. In contrast, we see the interest of star watchers being used in relation to piqued, leading us to believe it must be meant to be spelled P-I-Q-U-E-D. This is made especially clear when we see that piqued, meaning take a quick look, doesn't make sense in this context either. Heading down to our choices, we see a third option, poked, meaning to jab with a finger. Again, we see this doesn't make sense in this context and simply sounds similar to piqued. Based on this, we can go ahead and mark choice D, P-I-Q-U-E-D, as our final answer.